Hello everybody, Hans here. We're talking about the Hanzo and the OB move. I just want to say something to Rashi before I start. Rashi, when we talked about yesterday, or I told you about the buy and sell stops, I was actually mentioning the OB move, which has happened over here. But the same setup applies to the Hanzo, so it doesn't matter if it's the OB move or the Hanzo. Now I'm going to let this recording to run in a second. What we saw here is we all saw what happened. The whole situation before the OB move, as you can see here, went up. Also BT mentioned it, and I think also Jasfar mentioned it, that OB said it would be nice if it would really go up to the 8-hour BB band, and then it come down, and then exactly that what happened. That was the OB move, and then the Hanzo move obviously was an up move. It was a super move. Jasfar took it up here, the Hanzo move, and I took it up here, the Hanzo move, but not in a live account, but in demo account. I'll tell you why. What happened here is I got 85 pips with the OB move, and my goal is to have a minimum between 60 and 100 pips per day. If I can make that in one trade, fine. I close my live account and I go to the demo account. And I did that. So here I had 85 pips. I was very happy. I closed my live account here when I saw that yellow on the Renko, because it signalized to me that the Hanzo would come pretty soon. And later on there was another, or a few seconds later, there was the second yellow, and then it started actually here. Here it started to flickering around a little bit, as you can see. And I got in here with that white one because all the setup was, which we see in a minute, we didn't really hit at that time the 1 hour BB, or we didn't break the 1 hour BB or the 4 hour, but we broke the 15, and it was a big flip up BB on the 15. So that was pretty well, pretty much okay to take that Hanzo trade. So now I let that run here, and I bring the picture back in a minute, because that's what's happening all the time. I'm speeding up a little bit. Why I showed you here already the OB move, because it's coming pretty soon. It starts happening here, and I put my sell stop just below here, just below the orange line, and I put my stop loss just a little bit above the 8-hour BB band, just in case if it would flicker around a little bit, which happens sometimes. My voice is still shitty, but I'm still having that cold. But so I'm gonna speed up a little bit, and then I bring back the picture. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, so we all can see now what's happening now. Here we start already to getting mom. Also, this is a good sign. When this starts getting mom, this usually also gets the mom, and then we go down. So the down move is already starting here. All right, and I had my sell stop just below the OL, and it would hit somewhere here. I think, as you can see on the, I bring the picture back. So you see, it got triggered here. Actually, it got triggered here. So, and that was must have been just somewhere below here, but really I put it just below there. So that's what's happening. Now the OB move is happening, and I can let that run. I don't have to speed that up. That OB move Jasfar took for 100 pips. As we can see, you can see when the Renko yellow appeared that it goes a little bit further down, something like 15 pips or 20 maximum. Also, Brindy took it on demo. Very good, Brindy. That is fantastic that you try to take that, because it really doesn't matter. When we see the setup is there, and now we can see here it's getting stronger. We got the 15 blue as well. We got the 1 hour super, and that usually brings us to the 1 hour BB band. I was expecting that, but then I saw that one. I just closed it here for a second. So then I saw that yellow, and I knew even though we had that demo here, the mom on 12, but I knew this is gonna come up pretty soon. And then I saw also this wick here, so I didn't really know when this is exactly gonna happen. But I was happy with my 85 pips here. So now let's bring that picture back and continue. So just like that. Jesus. So let's continue. You see the time here. The OB move is almost done. We're just 1 minute after the OB move now, and now watch this here. We still have mom going down. Jasvan said that he took. Somebody asked him, when did you enter the Hanzo? And he said at the first green bar on the Renko. So Jasvan must have gone in here, yeah, and there you can see, bang, 100 down. Fantastic. He stayed in until the end, but I chickened out with that yellow. But that was good. 85 pips for me. Hey, I'm upping my lot size every second. Hey, that is good enough for me. I don't need more than that. But then later on, I took another trade on live with the 15 BB, with the 15 blue. It was the second move after the BT candle, and it was just too good to not to take that trade, and I took it for 50 pips. So in the end I turned out with 20 and 135 pips. Very, very good enough for me. I don't need more than that. So I stopped that here for a moment. So I took that Hanzo trade. This was my trade here, and here, as you can see, Brindy took the Dow with 70 pips on demo. Very, very, very good, Brindy. I really like that, and that means she took the OB move, and well, we did, and Brindy also mentioned that we haven't broken any or haven't even touched any 1 hour or 4 hour. But what we did have, Brindy, and you can take that for granted also for the next time. Look at the LTs here, okay? Everyone has a wick, everyone. And if you make a line here on the 4 hour, it means that actually did touch the BB band. And also here, this almost did touch the BB band, okay? I can make no lines here, I have no annotation thingy. And we broke the 15 with a big wick. We broke the 5 with a big wick. We had HA yellow, and we started with that white one here. Plus we had the mom. So you had all the rights to take that Hanzo up, and just one took it. I took it on demo, and just show you the picture again here. And that was a huge move altogether. It was over 200 pips, that move. My TP stopped here at 50 pips, and that's what happened. And for me, this is good enough. This is, I don't really want more. If I have my 100 live and something on the demo, then I'm happy and satisfied, and I don't continue, and I just watch the rest of the day. This is it for me today. I mentioned already here that I stopped that here for a moment now. I already mentioned here that Jasvan took 100, Brindy took 170 on the OB move down, and of course BT took it, and I believe everybody else. Just to mention it for Wolfie, you can see it. The setup was there to take the OB move, absolutely. So try it, you know. And if you take Jasvan's stop loss system with 10 pips, then you only risk 10 pips, no more than that. I gotta stop here because my voice is getting gone again. This is it. I wish you very, very beautiful pips today, and lots of pips today, and I see you in the room. Over and out.